Ooh. All right, money makers. This is hashtag paid for creator. So you get paid to do what you love. So you can find the most collaborations that get with you excited. So just say if you are a beauty or you an aesthetically a pleasing channel and you have different clothing, you can work for different brands and partners that actually maybe, for you to try out new outfits and you get paid, and then they're going to get paid because you're bringing in the customers to them by promoting their products on your channel. So that's really a good way to make money as well too. So click here to join for free, and you will you will get this money. That's just put it that way. You will get this money. So go ahead, click on the creator, or if you are a talent agency, obviously you want to click on the creator one here. So go ahead and click on creator, and then it's going to ask you to tell you a little bit about yourself. So your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, and continue. And you really have to, just like I was saying for the last two videos from the other day, that you really have to have good engagement for these brands to pick you up because, they really are a business model. Like, there's no engagement, then there's no way for to bring the new customers to their products, which means you're not going to get paid and they're not going to get paid either. So it makes no sense to apply to these people if you don't have good engagement already on your channel. But again, it's always case by case basis. And, don't take my word for it. You could just sign up. But I would ideally, you need to have at least maybe 5 to 7,000 or more subscribers or followers on your TikTok or across all platforms in order to apply for this, because these people take collaborations to a whole nother level. You will make good money, but if you don't bring them money, then they're not gonna be happy. So first name, last name, email address, password, continue, and then once you continue, you're gonna put in some more information about like what type of channel you run, how long you have it, all of that good stuff. And then it's a waiting process. It's a waiting process. It can take maybe 7 days. It can take 8 weeks. It could take maybe 5 weeks. It just all depends on how many applications is ahead of you and what do you have to bring. If you waited for 5 weeks and you still don't get accepted, you can always reach out to their customer support um, information. So just make sure you're doing that. But other than that, you all have a great day.